In 2015, Dodge gave its Viper flagship an unprecedented level of exclusivity, announcing a new custom Viper GTC model and a new program that gave Viper customers the opportunity to create their very own one-of-one American hand-built exotic performance car, personal concierge, and the ability to virtually follow along the build process through the Viper Ambassador website at drivesrt.com. Viper customers could also take a personal tour of the Conner Avenue assembly plant in Detroit where their supercar was hand-built, as well as choose a variety of delivery options. With 8,000 exterior color options, 24,000 custom stripe colors, 10 wheel options, 16 interior trims, and 6 aero packages, there were more than 25 million ways for buyers to customize their one-of-a-kind Dodge Viper. To help buyers confirm their color choice, Dodge provided a complimentary Viper Speed Form replica so they could confirm their color selections before their Viper was built. Dodge announced the 2015 Viper SRT, GT, GTS and TA models, with a starting U.S. manufacturer's suggested retail price of $84,995. For a starting U.S. MSRP of $94,995, the 2015 custom Viper GTC model features all the content of the new GT model, and added the ability to customize a one-of-one design, a personalized instrument panel badge, concierge service, and Viper Ambassador Owner's Portal with exclusive shareable content to track the build of the car. The one-of-one customization program was available exclusively for customer orders, not for dealer stock. No two customers could order the same configuration, including color in the same model year. Production was scheduled to start at the Conner Avenue assembly plant in the second quarter of 2015.